longest few days before Tuesday was the perfect day to take my blues away. Let the waterfall overhead roll around in the hay. The rocks and mud and clay. Let the hours roll away. I can't nowhere. Before nowhere to be found. All the cottonwood and leaves, they were dancing in the breeze. We were swimming through the watershed sound. And cotton puffing in clouds, way past the trees. Was a fun, got a beautiful sky. She was right there, painted just for me.
How are you guys, people? How you guys doing today on this beautiful Sunday? You are hearing our friend, our partner, Mr. Moses Martinez on the music. I just wanted to show you guys something that I hadn't been much on Facebook lately because I kind of been working on the background. How to help our team, how to help our scholars, how to help people that want to invest in and trade. So I've been working on this for a few months. It finally came to fruition, and I'm gonna show it to you guys real quick. So we have created. Hold on, sorry. Pretty what it is, it's Pips Pay My Bills or automated system. Meaning whatever we trade, you guys are trading. You know, you guys have heard copy and paste, right? Well, this is better than copy and paste. This is having pretty much almost having like Wall Street, having a hedge fund trade for you, but without ever you giving up your money. You keep your money in your account, you fund your account, and we trade for you. You copy your trades, or your system pretty much implements all your trades for you guys. So I'm gonna show you guys what we're doing. We have put it in the last few months over 1,800, going on 1,900 trades. That's a lot of trades, I believe. Especially if you're doing 3 to 5 trades a day. We're doing a lot more than that. Sometimes trading a lot is not good because you could over leverage your account and you could blow it. We know that well by experience. You know what I mean? So we create systems, we create solutions to problems that we have came across, problems that we have encountered to our journey, our travels through this entrepreneurism, through this investment trading, to going from a retail trader to becoming a wholesale trader. You need to understand there's a difference, and why 95% of retail traders lose. You know what I mean? So we have invested a lot of efforts, a lot of energy, a lot of resources to get this happening. Okay, so we have one of our tools is the scanner. Let me see. Have you guys seen my scanner? Hold on, I want to see how many people are on Facebook. How many people do we have on Facebook right now? If you guys are still on Facebook, let us know. Let us know with a like, a comment, some digital love. But this is what our scanner does. Okay, the scanner tells us the direction of the market. It tells us the temperature of the market, if it's buyers, bulls, buyers, sellers, bears or bulls. It also tells us the volume, because volume represents the orders that are coming in. Okay, so like this are 3 other currencies that I trade on the weekends, because there's forex. It's only Sundays through Fridays, from 5 p.m. on Sunday all the way to 5 p.m. on Friday. So let me change. Okay, before I change that, okay, so I'm gonna change that right now, but I want to show you guys something. Okay, so this is how, I'm sure you guys have heard top-down analysis. Top-down analysis means you take a higher time frame and you analyze it down to where you are. Depending if you're trading the 1 minute, you're trading the 5 minute, you're trading the 15 minute, it doesn't really matter. Or does it? Well, that was something that I thought that it didn't really matter. But after doing the research, after doing the back testing, it does. The reason why it matters because the canisters, the volume of the candles vary. A 5 minute candle is a lot smaller than a 15 minute candle. You know what I mean? And a lot bigger than a 1 minute candle. So the indicators that you might be using are calculating that candle for that time frame. So one way we figured out a way to do that and still be able to kind of have an edge over the market is first and foremost here. Let me show you guys here. Okay, so I'm standing in the 5 minute for XRP. You could tell on my 5 minute we are uptrend. See the heat map. But that's where we're at right now. And in investing, you have to look into the future or project where the future might be. And we understand that trades have a harmonic frequency gauge, a range. So you want to see what's coming in the future with the exact same candles without changing the time frame, with the exact same 5 minute candles. I know what it's doing. Because why? Because here in my 15 minute, it just became buyers. Okay, but my 30 minute, it's still downtrend. It's still analyzing all the exact same candles, but with different time frames in advance. Okay, so now you could take your trades and position yourselves when you are in your higher time frames and you're able to ride the wave. Okay, but watch this. Okay, hope you guys are getting excited of this. And I'm gonna show you how it goes back to the system that we just created. Okay, so here we have a 1 minute, here we have a 5 minute, and here we have a 30 minute. So on my 30 minute, it's pretty much the highest time frame because I'm pretty much scalping right now. Okay, but watch this. Okay, the 30 minute here shows that we've been in a downtrend for the last hour. For the last 3 hours, we've been in a downtrend. We entered a downtrend right here on the long time frame. Okay, so I use my longer time frame to look at my entries. One is to see where my time frame's at, and then 5 is where I come in. I come in with that sniper. Well, watch this. Watch this. This is cool, man. This is cool. Okay, so let's see here, telling us that on the 30 minute, this is going to be a support right here. Watch. Okay. Okay, on the 30 minute, this support became resist. Oh, support's over here. Okay, cool. On the, yeah, you see support. So they support. So this is support on the 30 minute, on the 5 minute, and on the 1 minute. Okay, watch this as well. Remember I told you about the harmonics? Boom. All this extra dots is just showing me and telling me through our artificial intelligence that the market is being manipulated. Okay, that's it. That's it. It's showing us a lot of manipulation. I call this the financial virus, measles, chickenpox. Because like I said, this has been the first time in one chart that I've seen so many dots and manipulation. That just shows that right now is being manipulated. Okay, let's see what else. Here also, no matter where I'm at, okay, I'm in the 1 minute, I know exactly where I'm at because I have my daily candle right here. So meaning that I already went up to the top side. On the high time frame, I already went up. Now it's going to run back and get ready to start the new candle. Where that candle might finish, it might finish here. You know? Okay. Hold on. Okay, so that's how I'm using. Yeah. Okay. So that's how I'm using three charts to be able to predict. Okay, we already know that this is the low. Okay, look where the daily ended. Okay, or it started. So we know a low has to get tested again. We know that. So we know that 38.93 is going to have to get tested because it's only a 30 minute. Okay. Okay. So that's where we're getting tested right now. So hold on. Give me a quick moment. Elijah. Elijah. Get the dogs in, please. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so we know this 30-minute candle, this push, this banker candle, okay, this is a bank candle, an institutional candle that came in right here, okay, it's an institutional candle. Okay, so it's gonna have to go up here, fill up some buys, fill up some orders, and boom, 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 it's gonna come back down here to fill back all that liquidity. Okay, so you see how I'm using three time frames. I'm using artificial intelligence. I'm using high-end technology and systems to be able to help us. Okay, went up and beyond. Okay, we are part of Team Epic. Team Epic has 6 and 8 figure traders giving us answers to the test. They're pretty much telling us or suggesting what trades are going to be profitable, that they're taking themselves. You know what I mean? So that's one of the things that I love about Epic is like we're not just gurus, we're gurus. We're doing what we're teaching. You know what I mean? So the signals that they take, there's the signals that they're giving to us, and they're making 6 to 8 figures a month. So those are some pretty good trades. You know what I mean? But at the end of the day, everything is risky. You know, in investment, you know, you have to be willing to lose. Worst case scenario, if you lose, are you okay with that amount? You know what I mean? That's why some people start with $100, $500 accounts. You don't have to start with a $5,000, $10,000 account. You know what I mean? And learn the hard way. No, you can start with a small account. Okay. So we have. Let me show you guys. So right now I'm getting ready. I'm getting ready to fund this account. Cause these are live accounts. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. So. Okay. So you can tell we have some trades running. But I'm gonna show you the journal. Let's see. Where is it? Okay. Trade history. So as you could tell, okay, we did some withdrawals. Okay, we pulled out 2 withdrawals on Friday. As you could tell. But look at all the trades that are coming in. Okay, there's tons and tons of trades that are just coming and coming and coming, and you're gonna get to see. Oh, you're gonna, sometimes the reason why you become a trader is because you don't want to be stuck at that computer. You don't want to have to be doing a job and doing all that stuff. And when you're getting that much trades, 1,800 trades in a couple of months, that's a lot. I've been sitting in front of a computer analyzing a lot of those trades for the longest time. You know, but what we're doing now is the system that we created. Now let's get back to this. We created Pips Pay My Bills .live. Trade .pips Pay My Bills .live. Okay, let's go into this one. So what we're doing here, like I said, we're finishing up. So here, like I said, we're still trying to finish all the things. So here is, you're gonna be able to have the signals come in here, but here you are going to configure your account. You need to be following. Okay, well, okay. So once we have the account put in here, once I put this account that's getting all the trades in here. Look at that. How quick it bounces. Look at that. Okay, let's see. See already. I was down earlier about $10. Now it's look at that. We're gonna get that. Right now we're gonna get a big bounce. Why do we know that? Because in the lower time frame we already got two huge push downs. Look at that. Boom, boom, boom. Already put into profit that quick. Okay. No. Took a quick little scalp, you know what I mean, just to build up the account before I put some funding into it. But watch this. Okay, so now you're gonna have all of my trades, all of the traders that we have on our team. We have I think 6 8-figure traders that are part of our team. They're gonna be in the system putting in trades every single day for you, where you don't have to do a darn thing. You just sit there and just look at your phone. You know what I mean? So we are going to be giving away the trial. You know, we're gonna the first month is a trial. You know, right now we're getting the thing secured. You know, we get everything that's taken care of. So we are gonna have that set up and running. So the first month, like I said, you're gonna be getting. You're gonna you're gonna be getting anywhere from 6 to 12 trades per day. Okay, that's a lot of trades. Okay, so we suggest or recommend that you start with $100 to $500. Okay, because at $3 per trade, it gives you 33 trades that you would have to lose for it to go completely south and you blow up an account. That has not happened. Can it happen? It's likely, but not probable. Like I said, the system does get rigged, the investment system. You know, but from our experience to the trials and dates so far, we have not seen it. We have, our traders have a 70 to 85% win rate. Okay, 70 to 85% win rate. With our team Epic, since September, since we started, we have collected over 200,000 pips. 200,000 pips. That is, if you would have risked 10 cents, that's $20,000 of trades that they gave you. The answers that they gave you, all you had to do was copy and paste. All you had to do was copy and paste. That takes 20 seconds. But I even went up before now. Now you don't even have to copy and paste. Now you have to be plugged into our Pips Pay My Bills, and the trades get done for you. So if you want some more information, hold on. If you want some more information, want to know more, reach out to me. We'll get you set up. The first month is free. There is a setting up, you know, like I said, we already have to get it set up, you know, so to cover a lot of this up front. But besides that, man, that's what we have for you guys. So peace, love, and abundance be with y'all. Get ready for the new week. Look at that. We're getting ready to turn over. So as it pulls up here, I'll come in and trade another trade. Let's see. Hold on. Let's see. Where are we right now? I want it to come right here. Okay, so it has to come back up to here, and then I'll come back in. Okay, well, at least now I see how quick it shows. See, it has to come back and test this high before it hits this low. Okay, so peace, love, and abundance.